Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we show you a bite-sized strategy you can start implementing in your classroom tomorrow. Have you ever had the answer to a question be just on the tip of your tongue and you couldn't quite think of it? And then maybe something happened to jog your memory? In special education, prompting is an excellent tool you can use to help your students increase their independence and come up with answers all on their own. There are 6 levels of prompting you can use. Visual prompting, which can be a picture or cue that triggers a correct answer. Positional, where you place the correct choice closest to the student. Verbal prompts, using keywords or phrases. Gestural, which could be pointing or nodding. Modeling, showing the correct steps. And physical, where the student is physically guided through the correct motions. The trick is determining which level of prompting is going to be the most beneficial for your students without being too intrusive. A prompting hierarchy shows where on the continuum each type of prompting falls, from the least intrusive to the most. Click the link in our bio to download our free prompting hierarchy and guide so you can use it in your classroom tomorrow. And thank you for joining me for 2 Minute Tuesday.